Hey, I just wanted to do a quick review. I've had this air compressor here, Mastercraft, for 2 years now, just over 2 years. Haven't had any problems with it, knock on wood. I got a really good deal. I think it's 26 gallon. I got it for, if I believe, I think it was $219 taxes in. That's Canadian. I've used it heavily for detailing, using a buffer with air, tires, all air tools. Yeah, it turns on most of the time, but I mean, 219 bucks, 220 bucks Canadian. Excellent deal for a 26 gallon. I have yet to see that same price and deal again. Came with the hose as well. Yeah, 2 thumbs up for me for sure. Mastercraft Canadian Tire. Here's all your, if you want to pause the screen here, it shows you your compatibility chart. Warning labels. Yeah, great investment. Very good to have one. You can always find ways to use it.